not to issue scheduled tribe certificates to Khadcs using their father's surname instead of their mother's has run into rough weather with the Singkon Rimpe Thamai SRT, which has decided to knock the legal door against this decision of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Holding a press conference at Shillong Press Club on Thursday, SRT President Taibor Khongji said that on October 14, 2019, the SRT had sent a memorandum to the government stating that many Khadcs who had taken their father's surname applying for scheduled tribe certificates were harassed, and the issue of such certificates was delayed for months. Khongji further expressed his anguish that children born of non-Khasi males and Khasi females are issued scheduled tribe certificates, but not children whose parents are Khadcs but had adopted the father's surname.
So we have come here in the press conference to let the people know and to condemn the statement made by MDC Ilaka of the District Council and at the same time by the CEM of the District Council through newspaper and social media on the 11/4/2023 and 24/4/2023 on the subject to deprive and deny ST certificate to the children who bears the father's title. We had taken legal advices from more than 3 to 4 lawyers, of which they also feel that whatever stretch we have taken, whatever measures the organization have taken through these memorandums, through the appeal, the government has given an order which is in line with us. And legally, we also stand solid.